What's up everybody? In today's video I'm going to be sharing the difference between clear printable vinyl and glossy printable vinyl. Now I used the Royal Elements printable vinyl for both of these, both clear and glossy, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer them onto a light surface. So this is a bottle of cologne, and then I'm going to transfer them onto a water bottle, which is a dark surface, and we're going to see how it holds up against water. So let's start with the clear printable vinyl. If I show you, and I'm a little nervous about this because I actually printed this on a laser printer, even though these are meant for inkjet printers, but we'll see how they do. Here is the clear printable vinyl. Now, as you can see, if you get a really good close-up, some companies say they offer clear printable vinyl when in fact they're a little more translucent or a little cloudy. This is pretty clear because it's a very thin printable vinyl, but you need to keep that in mind. So what we're going to do is we're going to show how it looks on a lighter surface. So this is clear printable vinyl on a clear bottle, and what you'll notice is, so we can still see the outline of the clear background, right? And in most cases you're going to want to actually put clear printable vinyl on a white surface, okay? So like white porcelain, a mug, or something like that. All right, now let's look at the glossy printable vinyl here. Peel that off, all right? So we can see the white background, it's glossy, kind of catches with the light, right? And then we'll put that on the back side here, and obviously what we can notice is the color pops a lot more, but you do see that background. So with the clear printable vinyl, it's a little bit faded. On a white surface, it would look much better. It would be ideal to use clear printable vinyl. And the glossy printable vinyl here with the backing. If we used a Cricut machine, I didn't. I just cut it out with my hands with a scissor, with a pair of scissors. You know, we could get a little better look around here, a little bit cleaner on the edges, but that's the difference there. All right. Now, if we use, let's try out the clear printable vinyl printed on a laser printer again, which I should have used inkjet, but I don't have an inkjet printer right now. And if we put it in the water, okay, what's going to happen? Well, looks like nothing. So we do advertise this as waterproof, water resistant, and looks like that holds up. Now, if this were to stay out in the rain for a long time in the sun, that might look a little different, might look faded after a while, but as you can tell, not bad in the water. And if we put this on a light surface here, this actually looks pretty good. All right. And then there might be a little bit of ink coming off here because again, I used a laser printer. Yeah, we can see some coming off. So if I used an inkjet printer, it would look much better, but with clear printable vinyl on a light surface, this looks pretty good, right? The background is really not noticeable if we get a close-up, and it looks good. So if we were to remove this, there would be no residue also, which is a plus. It's permanent, but there will be no residue left over. So finally, let's pick up the glossy printable vinyl here. All right, I'm gonna put that on the water bottle as well. And by the way, you can go to our website, royalelements.com, to pick up a pack of this, or you can go to amazon.com/royalelements, or just look up Royal Elements printable vinyl, and you should be able to find some if we are in stock. So with the glossy, we're going to put it in the water here. And these are two different materials. This is polyethylene, I believe. This is polypropylene. And so there will be a slight difference there. I'm wondering if this will run. Again, this is not for laser printers, but it seems to be doing pretty well. So the difference there, clear, glossy. You might want to use like a Cricut machine or a Silhouette to cut that out to look a little better. But I just picked these up, these images up on Canva, and then I printed them out, cut them out. And so that's the difference between clear and glossy printable vinyl. Hope this video helps. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.